Paul, it's going to be hot.
Hot weather for the next few days, and that means we're going to be climbing up the rankings in terms of the hottest month of May on record in the Triangle. Right now, 2019, May is in 7th place on the list of hottest months, but with high temperatures in the mid-90s today and tomorrow and again on Thursday, we're going to be climbing this list, and I think we're going to end up in 3rd place. Not quite up to where we were last year, which was the warmest month of May on record. So these temperatures are what happens when you add up the highs and lows for every day and divide by the number of days. This is the average temperature so far this month, and it's just going to keep climbing the list over the next couple of days. Looking outside right now, 66 degrees in Chapel Hill. These are some of the coolest temperatures we've had for a few days. Haze on the horizon, though, the warmth, the humidity building already. The sun's only been up for about 20 minutes. 69 degrees on campus at NC State, and these temperatures are going to be rocketing upward as we head through the day. Temperatures mostly in the 60s right now, but still above 70 in Clinton and Rayford, just below 70 in Fayetteville, 67 Raleigh, 61 the cool spot this morning in Roxborough. A bunch of locations, though, at 64 degrees, and that's not too bad. That's pretty close to normal for this time of year. But look at this warm up, already into the mid-70s by 8 o'clock this morning. Warm, somewhat muggy, not the worst of summertime humidity, but certainly enough to notice. It'll be hot already by noon. Temperatures around 90 degrees at that point. 94 for high in the Triangle this afternoon. Not quite up to record territory, but Fayetteville, you're going to get up into the mid to upper 90s again today. Still hot this evening. 91 degrees at 6 o'clock in the evening. Those winds out of the southwest around 10 miles an hour, just locking the hot air in place. 97 for Fayetteville. On post at Fort Bragg, 97 degrees in Rayford, and 97 in Clinton as well. Even low 90s farther north along I-95. Everybody gets into the 90s today, regardless of elevation or any other factor that might help to keep your neighborhood a little bit cooler. It's just going to be hot everywhere today. More of the same on the way for tomorrow and Thursday. Not much rain in sight for the next several days to wash any pollen out of the atmosphere. Medium category for the pollen count, so we're past the season where we're in the high category every day. But we're going to be on the high end of that medium category, especially with the grass pollen taking over in terms of the dominant type of pollen in the air. And the skeeter meter, very high, very high, very high. Yeah, that wind is going to be noticeable today, but it's not going to be strong enough to keep the bugs from flying around and bugging you as we head into the afternoon hours especially. Mid-90s today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Thursday is probably our best chance to tie a record high temperature. A slight chance of a pop-up storm Thursday. A better chance probably late Friday, and that lingers over the weekend. Not going to be a washout. Just be flexible with any outdoor plans. Temperatures will still reach up into the upper 80s Saturday and Sunday before we finally retreat to near normal temperatures by the beginning of next week. Checking traffic at 6:21.